straight.
Yeah, and I'll take a couple pictures even this morning done by Baby there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I post them up on Facebook, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all the while me post up my picture, be a comment. A lot of chocolates, they don't stop message me. I want to look at the rules. You get me? Call P, yeah. You see, like when I'm there airport and anybody who watch my program, the first thing they greet me with, brothers, are you still checking off in the jacuzzi?
Yeah.
I said, can
you ask that?
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Since everything good?
Yeah, man.
Sitting up, seeing you.
It's what I do every day.
Yeah.
Every day I see them.
So you go outside and them look at things as well too? Get some fresh air. So you have wheelchair, you have wheelchair already? Okay.
Come out of them.
Situation, yeah. Well, you're not that far. Right now you're not far away, you know. Because you're telling me say you come at the edge of the bed now and everything and foot and move. So you're not far away now, you know. Can you tell them ready to come at the edge of the bed, come sit down. So
where the food get?
no, not little life, not little life in it.
Sometimes when I feel it, it's a little feel. You know, I feel when I jump. And I say when I lie down for sometimes I go so.
Fico.
Yeah. Sometimes we have cut it tape.
Cut it
By
tape.
itself, yeah.
Yeah.
See how my vein them start come up back here.
Yeah, vein start show.
I never usually show them my foot. Then I can show you some blood start circulate. Back down the same on my foot.
Yeah.
can't move it.
Them move by himself.
Okay.
See?
Move by.
Them by back himself.
Sooner or later, everything.
Move by himself. I know I can't move.
Mommy.
Only thing I can do right now, just sit down and sit down at the edge of the bed.
The last time I come, you lie down.
Yeah, me lie down.
The condition is really worse than where he is now. The last
Sit down
time.
up in like this. Every time I sit down, I saw me drop back. No, me I sit down up.
Yeah. Therapies.
It's not like I can
Yes. Boy, are you there for medication though? Are you for medication?
But right now, I'm on some antibiotics. Me catch infection in my urine.
Okay.
But I say I drink too much juice.
Drink more water.
So that me start dealing with it.
Yeah.
I stop drinking juice, I just beer water me I drink.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
give me some antibiotics to clear the infection.
Yeah. So mommy, I bring some bedspread and some pampers as well, some pull-ups, and you got the lock ones as well too. Baby, look when I bring them come. So these are some for the beds. Come here, also. Now we have some pampers as well too. Come through, boom, with them there.
Right in there. Your man is grateful feet, man, may I tell you. Your man is grateful because
Gel up. That's it, baby.
the lady will look up and me call her enough to make sure talk.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
We call her to make sure talk because she can't, because we all have to do a test to him.
We are talk. Yeah, man, the next time we can make sure talk. When we come the next time, we'll make sure talk then.
So what we do is say we could have raised the 50,000 because them say them want to know inside our function.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's why they want to do that test then.
Or they want to take out the badge.
Take it out and make it.
So if I want people, you can put it on, but they want to do one test.
Yeah.
You see me? So that they must say that they can call about 50,000.
Okay. Because we only have 1 minute left on the camera,
Alright,
so
yeah.
we just want to thank them. Just thanks for everything we bring
Yeah,
come.
Yeah, man, we give thanks, man. And God bless all of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man.
Everything.
Big way this, you understand?
Yeah.
Big help. Yeah, we
Yeah.
give thanks.
Yeah, man, and
And more time it's not easier when you run out, we have to call somebody to help you out. You understand?
yeah,
And more
yeah.
time we're broke.
yeah.
And all the while we have it.
So we'll try and see if we can have a supply and make
Yeah,
sure
man.
say we not run out. And then we could think there. Yeah? Damari? Let's go on with the field scene.
Yeah, come!
So everything together.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Listen, together.
Yeah. We're there up on the journey and we'll make sure say you're up and running and walking and things, you see me? So a God miracle of work.
Daddy grandson too, you know.
That daddy grandson? Jaja. See it there. I want this man. Rain of you.
You never carry more. You take some breeze and
Yeah.
go in your heart. But them say the rain of you.
Alright then. So take care, you hear me, General? Until next time. You hear me?
Yeah, man. And
come
you
check
to
in.
take care all
Yeah,
over
man.
here. God bless you. Yeah, man.
Alright then.
Come.
Good time. Yeah.
I'm all that tiny.
Yeah, tile P a set up tile.
Color.
Colors,
see that too.
colors, me say you have work I go on in a...
Forward, bro. See that too. Big color. Bro, I didn't know you're forward, man.
Just arrived, man.
I didn't know why you go look around the cottage here, man.
When we stop, you stop.
Eh? What you say, colors?
I'm just heading over the airport here, bro.
So with the sound box
Oh, yeah, bro.
and the colors out.
Wow.
Every time I come see you, I have to
Yeah, lifting up, eh?
yeah, flew
Saturday night, no, Friday I was over there and like me hear a lady shout me.
again.
Yeah, he said, a brethren come off a flight where no see me on Kino program. So I go, low and big up. You know how much he gave me, guess? You could make a guess?
$1,
No, $20.
$20.
Yeah.
No punch.
$20.
Only box.
Yeah,
No punches.
for real.
See how walk with the jukebox to us,
So,
colors.
what I'm saying, like you don't come look around the cottage, man.
Yeah, true.
Round there is very beautiful, you know.
Eh?
You want to come take a look now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm so I go on the cottage. I say it's beautiful. I say beautiful. Look at the bag they said it. I say beautiful. But I look how I go on. Colors around there is very beautiful. Larry, Joe Walker. Color says beautiful. When you said tile,
Yeah.
mind them edge are too sharp, you know.
Yeah, they are gonna finish it tomorrow.
Yeah. Color says beautiful.
Yeah, this is how we look, bro.
Beautiful.
I know you didn't see that lovely fan I bought. I bought that lovely fan there.
Oh, nice standing fan.
Oh my gosh! And then I bought this today. To put the flat screen on the wall, bro.
Jeez.
So I think Ray gonna set it up for me tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So how the cottage look, bro?
looking beautiful.
Oh
say,
my
man.
gosh!
A
Yeah.
long time I don't see the cottage.
If you told you, bro.
With the sofa well.
Oh, why donors? Why can't stop loving you, know?
Yeah.
Can't stop loving you and Kino. Look at the foul cover.
Yeah.
Eh? Just take a look at the foul cover. Look at it now. It's a long time they don't see me chuck off in the jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Jeez.
Cozy.
Living in style.
Cozy.
Oh my gosh.
When them say Jukie living in style,
Oh.
in them colors,
Donors, I want to make me out of this, you know.
I dive off them jacuzzi. Love how you keep up the cottage though.
Then Kino, remember, it's not like how it used to look before. So you get what I'm saying?
Have to keep it up.
I have to keep it up, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm say you tile up your step
Oh
and
my
thing.
gosh.
Colors
Yeah.
put some tile work on his step.
Yeah, so Snoop, I'll finish it tomorrow.
Oh, so a Snoop I do it.
Yeah, I just give him the
Tall
little
P.
rules. You get me? Tall P, yeah. You see, like when I'm there airport, I anybody who watch my program, the first thing they greet me with, Colors, are you still checking off in the jacuzzi?
Yeah.
I said,
Can you ask that?
Yeah.
And them just sit around
ask that, can't stop check off in the jacuzzi. Kino, alright, so Snoop there, I'm afraid for go lay down on the bed.
I go sleep.
I was on the floor. Yeah, I was on the floor, man.
Because he did ever go lie down on the bed.
Oh my gosh.
He'd have missed the flight to go airport.
For real, man, come even I say long time Kino don't come around here.
Yeah.
Bro, but you know more while they're busy. You got me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm heading over now.
To the
because,
airport.
You know, I see like a nice glass table.
Yeah.
Don't we buy the, that?
Yeah.
I don't know how much for it, but I'm heading towards it.
You're gonna buy it?
Yes.
Of course.
Anything I want to, you know, I'm going to ask God if ever let me raise the money.
Yeah.
He got me.
Yeah.
Donors! I have to big up more than 1,000,000 times.
Just.
Yeah, can't stop bigging up. Can't stop big up Kino too. Oh my gosh. Right now, boy, I'm telling you, Kino.
Living in style colors, man. Living in
my
style, man. Just
gosh,
keep it up for me, you know.
Have to.
I like how you keep it up
Yes,
for me.
man,
Just
then
continue.
Kino. What? I can't make you look flop. You get me?
Yeah.
Suppose one day you go say, you do, and you say, we could go see how run a colors there. Yeah, you know, I go make up nice for me and say, oh, colors, what is that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we have nothing to complain about.
Alright, you see this here, I bought it down by Billy. It well sweet, you know.
Fabulous.
Oh my gosh, I have to use just a little bit.
Jeez.
Yeah, to rub the
That center
lumina.
kick off my nose, boy.
Yeah, you get me? So I this morning I took off that little sheet and put on this blue one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause
Lay low.
we have a lot of sheet, you know.
Yeah. Me know you stack up, man.
Yeah, we have a lot of sheet. Sheet cannot too much.
I know you stack up,
Yeah, a lot of
colors.
sheet in the bar there, and we have a lady who laundry for us
Yeah.
because we can't really manage the laundry.
So you just pay some money.
Yeah, so we pay somebody to get them done.
Alright.
So, but Kino, this now, you see, like when they put it up, they say I can turn the TV any way I want it.
Okay. So
Yeah, you get me?
Yeah, man. So the right one.
It didn't look really official right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you want it on the wall.
On
where
the
it's
wall.
official.
Oh my gosh. And then the boombox now,
Jeez.
I'm gonna drop it on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And boom down the place
Oh
with music.
gosh.
Jeez.
Yeah, for
Alright,
real.
colors, remember your car. So
Yeah, man, I showed him what me nah get
you
him.
gonna get it.
Me that showed him 10%.
Oh, drop off. Tired.
Peace. I read that from.
Right there, so.
Oh.
So it never
Yeah.
catch properly.
Boy, I can't set up but
Tomorrow.
I might finish it.
Put it one away.
I might finish it tomorrow. God, what is that?
Alright.
Yeah, so what about the boombox? Everybody love it, you know?
Yeah, man, I love it, man.
Yeah, you see, when I hold it so and I walk through town.
Jeez.
Oh, and turn up the music. It's very loud, yeah?
I said the 90s.
What? Oh, you know,
Yeah,
I be old school, me shot.
Yes, shit.
Yeah, and I take a couple of pictures even this morning done by Bibi there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Colorful.
I post them up on Facebook, bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
because all the while me post up my picture, be a comment. A lot of chocolates, they don't stop message me or whatever.
Yeah. Alright then, colors. Just take
Yes,
care, man,
man,
and
big
go
up
out with the
the
right
owners
thing.
them, you know,
Yeah.
as usual, you know.
Yeah.
Can't leave no out, you know.
Alright then.
And big up you to Kino, you get me?
Every time. Big up the Almighty.
So, I'm gonna see the rest of colors tomorrow, because I don't think I'm heading towards the airport tomorrow.
So you're gonna be home.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be home because we have a chocolate from the United States. She
Yeah.
wanna come visit
The cottage.
the cottage.
Oh, wow.
You got me?
Wow.
Yeah, she wanna come and visit the cottage, so I don't think I'll be going to the airport tomorrow.
Alright then.
Yeah, so we're just gonna look some money now, and then
Tomorrow flossing.
yeah, you see it, man?
Alright,
then-
colors.
Yeah, when you come, Ray can put up the thing on the wall, don't
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so donors, I'm out.
Out.
Yeah.
Rasta Jackson. Prefect. Rasta Jackson, Wagwan.
They're family, man. They're family, just like,
Yeah, the only movie star.
yeah.
You know, I have a pair of shoes for you from Chung Law. You know, a real man living in the US send a pair of shoes for you. That's from Rima man living in the US.
Yeah, give thanks and praise every time, huh? Love every time, give thanks and praise. Bless every time, huh? Yeah, love every time, huh? You know? Everything, huh? Everything every time, huh? Love,
Yeah.
take time every time.
Then. Light box. I come through light box. Light box as well too. I also got a pair of shoes from you. You know, from Kung Law. Chung Law. You know, only Rima man living in the US, you know. He knew himself. So no name says a Rima man living in the USA. You know, and this is for yourself.
Jungla, big up yourself, you know, and more thanks, you know. God bless you, you know. More love, yeah.
Every
Straight.
time. Kung La, you know, China man, Jet Li, Bruce Lee, only real man. The only real man who fight karate. Chung La, Kung La. Karate man. You know himself. And we have let me see, Talpi. I have a donation for you as well too. Yeah. I got a donation from you. And this is from a woman, TrenchTown woman in the UK who live in Plumstead. So I must give you $3,000. So it's a TrenchTown woman living in Plumstead, UK. $3,000.
What if I love, you know? TrenchTown woman, you know. You hear that? What if I love and bless up, you hear that? Almighty God bless you, yeah? What if I love goes out to me doing them? You hear that?
Yeah.
When I color me there go and do some work, you know?
You want to color,
yeah,
step
color,
yeah.
Style of color step, you know? Yeah, man. So what if I love again and respect you, hear that? Love base station, big up. One team, Gene team. Every time, brother.
Yeah.
Bless. What if I bless you? Yes, alright.
Yeah. Liquor. I got a donation of $3,000 for you as well from TrenchTown woman living in Plumstead. That's the UK. Send $3,000 for you.
TrenchTown woman, many blessings, many thanks, many grateful. One team.
Dream team. And we have Jella. We have $5,000 for Jella from TrenchTown woman live in Plumstead. That's the UK. It's $5,000 for yourself.
TrenchTown woman, thank you very much for your token. Big up yourselves. Chew. Bless you.
Wow, chef. Come through, wow, chef. And we have $5,000 for the wow chef as well too. From the same TrenchTown woman. We live in the UK.
Same church
Plumstead.
in the UK.
Yeah.
Thanks, yeah. Enough love and heart, yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah, twice, man, isn't it?
So you're going to say England twice now?
Yeah, man, because UK, my place same way, man. England, God, man. Toronto, yeah, man. Enough love, man, I respect, yeah.
UK twice again, bro.
Yeah, twice.
No, yeah, twice. UK can't twice. I want UK, so.
Yeah. Baby! Oh.
Twice, man. One UK, so. One UK.
Styler, short baby. Styler, short baby.
One UK. One UK.
Yes, sir. New York, New York.
New York, New York.
New York, yeah, man. One UK, yeah.
New York, New York.
Yeah, man.
Prefect over there. And we have the barger right here.
Yeah, man.
Barger up on the road, same way.
Yeah.
You know.
Dig it, you know.
I go and dig it. So it's so time to start dig up some foundation again in TrenchTown barger.
Right. Pause long.
Yeah.
Get seized up, kid. So that's the whole show again.
It's a Talpi.
Yes, we get seized up from one day. Get seized up, teacher. Yeah, man. We don't get that, man. You know, man. Like active myself. You see that? Yeah, that type of thing.
Talpi said get seized up. Yo, I get some WD-40.
Yeah, loose up him.
Yeah.
Them joints.
Yeah, I mean by seized up, look up.
I see the wrist.
Yeah,
stiff.
Yeah, the wrist, you know.
Talpi you want flash again, man. Talpi you want.
Up and running again with the team there, man.
Yeah.
Good work, up, brother.
Oh, yeah, man. Flashing I go start again.
Definitely.
Flashing I go up again, man. I know the thing already.
Yeah, I mean, I run out blocks. The prefect get out there, run out some blocks.
Yeah. A long time prefect now lay 2 black as well too.
Yeah, run out.
The prefect you seize up too?
Nah, man.
Oh. So we don't all time be seize up.
No, because prefect active.
Ever keep active.
Prefect active there.
Yeah. People come in my yard and mix up dirt and water and anything so that it works, see me and flash it, mud. And it just stick.
Mud out.
Also tarpy, so you have to go and catch a practice. Mix up some mud, man.
Oh, I told them color, I'm go and take my practice, you know. You planks color, I'm go and take my practice.
Yeah, I see the tile them.
Sure, same after the unit, I ain't buy them.
Yeah. I'm sure I get the rough on them all, you know, because if rain fall and wet.
Why that?
So, color.
Rough tile,
yeah.
Outside tile.
It mix. Both inside and outside. So pretty color no fall down. When baby come and hide behind me for like I think me a shield. I'm not no shield, baby. Baby, I can't shield you from so much husband we have. They will come shield you.
I know I can't get a ring, a gelab ring.
Gelab ring. From Milo.
Yeah.
It's a gelab, you know what you say?
No man, it's born and receive.
Yeah.
Earth, baby, earth.
Earth. Baby, alright, gelab first, yeah. Come in, painter. Upon arrival, so baby, I got $5,000 for you. From a TrenchTown woman that live in Plumstead, UK. So this is $5,000 from that TrenchTown woman living in Plumstead, UK.
Thanks to the TrenchTown woman that live in Plumstead, UK. Bless up yourself and may your food basket never empty. May God continue to shine His light upon you.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Yeah. We give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. We big up and give thanks. And we have painter. Just come off of the paint job. Change off, you know, because normally I see him paint up himself. At least he not paint up yet. You know, so we have man like painter. And we have a pair of shoes for you upon arrival from Kungla. Only karate man from TrenchTown, live in the US. You know, so I must give you a pair of shoes from Kungla. Karate man.
Don't know no karate man. Big up yourself, you know. Whole heap of respect and love for this, you see me? May your food basket never empty, you see me? Go and keep it real, Kungla. Big up yourself. Straight.
Kungla. Painter himself. And color red. Run out. So we give thanks to all donors, you know. Thank you so much for the support. I will give the donors them a round of applause for them support, please. Yeah, man. Guys, the jelly get a ring, so she must love them right now.
Make sure I can do this and look so.
Yeah.
Happy for Milo, Angela.
What a setup. Yeah. What a setup, eh? What a setup. Smiley. Smiley. I see the comments them flying in. Smiley, I see the comments them flying in. Well, they must know what they must say.
Yeah, but they miss.
But me not say nothing. Not say nothing. Not say nothing. Come here, Smiley. Get that. Hold on, them. Not say nothing at all. But you, what do you when the plane take off? You know, baby them fly out. Esther fly out. The dream team players them fly out. You know, them get US to fly out. They wasn't here. So everyone get $10 each. 10 US each. See there? From Jim from New Jersey. You know, Angie came down and she bring it down and said Jim from New Jersey must give the clean team ladies them $10 each. So you wasn't here, so that is your $10 from Jim
from New Jersey. Thank you very much for this token. I'm going to cherish this. I'm going to put it down.
You going to cherish it?
Yeah.
How long you put on that for?
I put it on my house when
When I go back on the plane?
Yeah, anytime I go, I'm going to bring it back. Thanks very much.
God, I hear that Jim, so she'll bring it back. What a way I'm lucky, man. Everybody wants to change and well spend already.
It's not change.
Yeah, bring back your own. Yeah. All right, Smiley. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.